Japan has a lot of mountains that are easily accessible even without a car, and that are relatively safe to climb. On this trip, I used the overnight bus from Shinjuku in Tokyo to Hirogawara near Mount Fuji. Make sure to follow the locals and don't get off the main trails. Most of the designated trails are well maintained, and there's an information centre and lodge along the trail. Usually, the campsite is next to the lodge, with a clean drinking water supply and composting toilet. One of the most important things is to plan your hike and submit your hiking plan at the information centre, so the people there know where to look for you in case of an emergency. In terms of gear, a good pair of hiking boots is a must, and a pair of trekking poles will make your life a lot easier. Since water will be the heaviest item you're going to carry, make sure to stock up enough water between each water source, but not too much. You'll need about 1 litre of water for every 2 hours of hiking. After 8 hours of hiking to the top of Mount Kita, you'll probably be really tired, but the view to Mount Fuji will make all the sweat worth it. At the lodge, you can get a simple dinner for 1,700 yen and a draft beer for 1,000 yen. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the mountain sometime soon. And remember to subscribe for more content like this.